Hello, today I am making infused water and fruit juice soda. So to start, our ingredients for the infused water, I need a bunch of seltzer water and 100% fruit juice. For the infused water, I'm gonna need whatever fruit you want. I'm using today an orange and some limes. So for equipment, we need for the infused water a nice big jug. I have this nice glass one. In the past, I have used old orange juice containers, whatever you can put water in, it'll work. We need a pitcher for our soda, a couple glasses to serve stuff in, and then just a measuring cup to make sure we get our proportions right. So to make these recipes, first thing I have to do is wash my hands, which I will do. And then I'm going to wash my fruits that I will be using since the rind is going in the recipe. Just give the fruit a good scrub down. All right. Get my big jar ready. First, I just need to slice up all my fruits. Cut my oranges in half so I have a nice stable surface to cut on, and then just cut nice thin slices. Making sure we keep our fingers out of the way. Into the bucket. Same with a lime, cut in half to get a nice stable surface. Thin slices. Okay. Next, I need to fill this with water. Now, this can sit in the fridge. The longer you let it sit, the stronger the flavor will become. More of those vitamins and minerals will leach out of the fruits into the water. Make a yummy, low sugar drink for you and your kiddos. So, drink number one. For drink number two, we need our other tools. This one is going to be really simple. It is going to be 1 cup to 100% fruit juice, whatever kind you like, to 4 cups of seltzer water. And we're going to throw in a little bit of lime juice just for some extra fun. So first I'm going to slice my limes in half. Just get as much juice as you can into your pitcher. Struggled really hard to do it. Oh. Whoop. Now, I'm going to measure out 1 cup fruit juice. And again, use whatever 100% fruit juice you have around. Today it's fruit punch, could be orange juice, could be cranberry juice, whatever floats your boat. Into the pitcher. And then bunch of seltzer water to give it that fuzzy bubbles. Ooh. And only spill a little bit. Okay. With that done, relatively well mixed together due to our pouring, I get to pour up into my cups. Serve it to my little ones. And now, instead of regular soda or sports drinks or a lot of those drinks with a lot of added sugars, we have 2 very fun, very easily changeable, add in what you like drinks. ready to go. So I will have a little sippy. I'm not gonna lie, a little weak for my taste. I probably would do a little bit more juice. That is a-okay. Try different combinations. In the summer, I really like strawberry and lemon for my infused water. In the fall, apple and cinnamon sticks taste just like fall. So those are my infused water combos go-to. What would you like to try? Check out other simple recipes right here. Walk away forever. All sweaty.